Do you ever get tired of going through all these different tabs just to find a simple function or tool on TradingView? Well, what if I told you the quick search bar lets you find any function or tool in TradingView without clicking through menus and wasting your precious time? Here's how you can use it. Head over to the top of any chart. Now, there's going to be an icon. It's a magnifying glass with a lightning bolt on it. Click on it. Now, instead of having to go to the left or top to click through a function, click through a tool, all you have to do is search it up. Say we want a fib retracement, all we type in is fib here. There we go. Say we want a horizontal line. Perfect. Say we want a highlighter. There we have it. Now let's look at some other functions. Say we want to look at revenue. We don't even have to type in revenue, but it will give us the function to look at the revenue for the asset we're looking at right now, which is Apple. This is the fastest way to navigate TradingView once you know what you want. No more hunting through different indicators, tabs, symbols, any of that. You can simply go through all of it right here. Other than that, have a great day, guys.